Hello student of 7th class. Today we are going to start the chapter Simple Linear Equation. Now the meaning of the simple linear equation is a statement which state that the two expressions are equal. The two expression will be given and equal sign will be in between of them. We are done all this even in the 6th standard. Now further we are doing exercise 12C. So I request all the students to open the page number 141 first. So we are starting with the question number 1. We have to solve this all. It is given that x by 2 plus x is equals to 9. Now this is in the fraction x by 2, but the other number is not in the fraction. To make it in the fraction, we will write the denominator as 1. We know that all the natural number has the denominator 1. Now we have to find out the LCM of these two numbers, and the LCM is 2. Now we will check what should be multiplied to the denominator so that it will be equal to the LCM of it. So 2 1 ja and 1 2 ja. And the same thing should be multiplied to the numerator. As we know, we have did it before also. Now it means 1x plus 2x is equal to 9. This is 3 by 2x is equal to 9. Now we will take this 3 by 2 to the other side. It is multiplied over here. So when we take it to the right hand side, it will be divided. And in the fraction, there is nothing is divided. Then we will do the reciprocal. So I am doing the same thing in first only. Multiply 2 by 3. I write the reciprocal. Now the cutting, I have to do the cutting. Sorry, I took little time. 3, 3 ja. Now we have two number, that is 3 and 2. So the value of our x will be 3 2 ja 6. I hope you understand this. Now coming to the second question. Second question is x by 5 plus 2x is equal to 33. Again, we'll take the denominator of the other number as 1, and this will be LCM of them is 5. Now we have to check what should be multiplied. 5 1 ja, 1 5 ja. The same thing will multiply to the numerator, and the numerator will change, that is 1x plus 10x equals to 33. This will become 11 by 5 x is equal to 33. Further, it will be x equals to 33. The reciprocal of 11 by 5 will be 5 by 11. Now we can cut 33 with the 11. 3 and 11 1 ja. So the x value will be 3 5 ja 15. I hope you are understanding it. It's easy to do all the things. Better we start the next. Now coming to the third question. And the third one is 3x by 4 plus 4x equals to 38. Now again we'll take 1 as the denominator over here. And the LCM of 4 and 1 will be 4. Now we'll check what should be multiplied over here. 1 to the 4 and 4 to the 1. Same thing will multiply to the numerator, and the numbers will be 3x plus 16x. 4 4 ja 16. Further, it will be 19 over 4x equals to 38. And x equals to 38. The reciprocal of 19 by 4 is 4 by 19. And 38 is the multiple of 19. 19 2 ja 38. So my x will be 2 4 ja 8. Coming to the fourth question. Fourth is x by 2 plus x by 5 equals to 14. And the LCM of 2 and 5 will be the multiplier of them, that is 10. Now we have to multiply 5 to the 2 and 2 to the 5. Same thing in the numerator. And the numerator will be 5x plus 2x is equal to 14. It will be 7 by 10 x is equal to 14, and x will be 14 multiplied by 10 by 7. Now cut the 7 with the 14. 7 1 ja and 7 2 ja. Now the value of x will be 2 10 ja 20. Coming to the fifth question. Fifth one is x by 3 minus x by 4 equals to 2. The LCM of 3 and 4 again will be the multiple of them, that is 12. Now it will be 3 4 ja and 4 3 ja. Same thing multiply to the numerator. And the number will be 4x plus, it is negative 3x minus 3x is equal to 2. 4 minus 3 is 1 over 12. X is equal to 2. X will be 2 multiply with 12 by 1. 1 won't be considered. So the x will be 24. Now we came to the sixth sum. Sixth is y plus y over 2 equals to 7 by 4 minus y over 4. First of all, we will put the denominator over here, and now we will carry the y by 4 that is at the right hand side to the left hand side, and this negative sign will become positive over here. So plus y by 4 equals to 7 by 4. Now the LCM of them will be 4. Now see the denominators. 1 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 4 1 ja. Same thing in the numerator too. Now check your numerators. 4y plus 2y plus 1y equals to 7 by 4. I don't have the space. Better I'll write this side. Now we'll get 4 plus 2 plus 1. 7 by 4y equals to 7 by 4. Now y equals to 7 by 4 multiply the reciprocal of this 7 by 4 will be 4 over 7. And when we cut these numbers, we can cut the 7 with 7 and 4 with 4. That means the value of y will be 1. Now we are moving to the 7th question. In the next page, 7th question is 4x over 3 minus 7x over 3 equals to 1. It's good both the denominator is same. These are the like fraction, so we have to do nothing. Just write it the numerator as it is and denominator one time. So what we get is minus 3 over 3x is equal to 1. 3 and 3 we can cut. It will be minus 1x equals to 1. Now we can't keep the variable as the negative, so we will multiply the whole equation with the negative sign. And what we will get? Minus minus plus x plus minus minus 1. So our answer will be minus 1. I hope you understand this all. If can't, then see this question second time and third time and you will get it. Coming to the 8th question, 1 by 2m plus 3 by 4m minus m equals to 2.5. It means, first of all, we'll have the denominator of this one. So these 3 LCM will be 4. You can find it out in the rough. I know, so I'm writing it directly. So check what should be multiplied. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are and 1 4 ja. Now multiply the same thing in the numerator side. And your answer will be 2m plus 3m minus 4m. And I just want to remove this decimal, so I'm writing 25 over 10. Now this will be 5 minus 4 means 1 by 4m equals to 25 by 10. Now m will be 25 over 10 multiply with 4 by 1. Now cut this all. We'll see 5 5 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 2 ja. So the value of m will be 5 2 ja 10. Coming to the ninth sum. Our ninth sum is 2x over 3 plus x over 2 minus 3x over 4 equals to 1. And the LCM of these three numbers, check it in the rough, you will get 12. Now see what should be multiplied to all the three fractions. 3 4 ja, 2 6 ja, 4 3 ja. Multiply the same number in the numerator and you will get 8x plus 6x minus 9x equals to 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 minus 9 is 5 over 12x equals to 1. Sorry, again the space problem. Better I'll write here. So your x will be the reciprocal, that is 12 by 5. X will be 12 over 5. Now it is improper. If you divide it, you will find it will be 2 over 5. I hope you are getting this all. Coming to the 10th sum. Tenth is 3a by 4 plus a by 6 equals to 66. And the LCM of 4 and 6 is again 12. 4 3 ja and 3 2 ja. Same thing will multiply to the numerator, as you know all. And this will become 9a plus 2a equals to 66. When you add 9 and 2, it will become 11 over 12a equals to 66. Now I'll take this number to the RHS side. A equals to 66 into 12 by 11. Now cut this 11, 6. And the value of A will be 6 12s are 72. Coming to the 11th sum, it's 2p by 3 minus p over 5 equals to 35. And the LCM of 3 and 5 both are prime number, will be the multiplication of them, that is 15. 3 5s are 5 3s are. Same thing to the numerator, and it will become 10p minus 3p equals to 35. Now this will be 7p over 15 equals to 35. Now we'll take this number to the right hand side, and 35 multiply with 15 over 7. Now 7 can be divided with the 35, 7 5s are. And the value of P will be 5 15s are 75. Coming to the 12th, question is 0.6a plus 0.2a equals to 0.4a plus 8. Now add these both, it will become 0.8a, and I'm taking this 0.4a to LHS side. This is added over here. Now here it will be subtracted. 4a equals to 8. It will be 0.4a equals to 8. We can take this 4.4 as 4 by 10a equals to 8. Further, I am putting over here. We'll take 4 by 10 to the right hand side, and we'll write 10 by 4. And when we cut this 4 with 8, it will be 2. So the value of A will be 20 over here. I hope you are understanding every bit. Coming to the 13th question. 13th question is P plus 1.4p equals to 48. Now if there is only p, that means 1p. This is 1p. And when you add both, it will become 2.4p equals to 48. Further, we can write this decimal as the fraction. One number is after the decimal, so we'll put 10, that is 10. P equals to 48. Now P will be 48 into 10 by 24, and 48 is the multiple of 24. 24 twos are, and the value of P will be 20. 2 10 ja 20. Coming to the question number 14. 14th is 10% of x is equal to 20. 10% of x means 10 over 100 multiplied by x is equal to 20. Now we can cut the 0 with the 0 and this will become 1 by 10x is equal to 20. Further we'll take 1 by 10 to the right hand side. It will become 10 by 1. That means x is 20 into 10, 200. Coming to the last question of this chapter's syllabus, according to the syllabus, is the 15th. Y plus 20% of y equals to 18. Further, we'll take y by 1 plus 20 over 100 into y equals to 18. We'll cut the zeros. 0 with the 0 and 2 5 ja 10. That means this is y over 1 plus 1 over 5y equals to 18. Further, I'll write over here. So the LCM of 1 and 5 will be 5. And further, if we see the denominator and numerator, 1 5 ja and 5 1 ja, same thing will multiply in the numerator and we'll get the numerator, that is 5y plus 1y equals to 18. This will become 6 by 5y equals to 18. Y equals to 18 multiply with 5 over 6. And when we cut this, the 6 with the 18, it will be 6 3 ja. And the value of y will be 3 5 ja 15. That means y equals to 15. With that, we concluded this chapter for according to the syllabus. For the further upgrade, please subscribe my channel and get the next video in time. Till then, it's bye from my side.